Okay, here we are today on page 92. 92, página 92. Okay, I'm going to zoom in with my camera so we can see it a little better here. You find the page 92 while I'm zooming in, okay? It's a deal if I can do this right. It's hard to zoom in. Let's see if I can get it here. Here I go. There we go. We're zooming in. How's that? A little more? That's pretty good, right? Okay, here we are. Page 92. If you're not there, you pause it and catch up to us. What number is shown with these blocks? You try this on your own. Try reading and doing this whole page on your own. En español o inglés, es como un tipo de examen. Por eso, pause the video, para el video, para hacer el trabajo. Y después puede repasar a ver cómo hiciste. You can see how you did after you pause the video. So pause the video and do all the problems. Okay, did you do them and you're starting up again? If you finish, you can start up, and there we are. We'll do it together. What number is shown with these blocks? Did you do that? A ver. ¿Qué número muestran estos bloques? Well, estos son ¿qué? Centenas. Hay dos centenas, uno, dos. Decenas, hay cuatro. Y unidades son cinco y uno son seis. Did you put that? 200s, 4 10s, and 6 1s. What number is that? 246. Do you know how to write the number 246? I guess that's what they want on this line. How would we write the number? Well, let's look for page 200. I'm going to jump at the bottom to the 200s. Here's 256. Boy, I'm really close. 252. Oop, I went too far back, I think. 248. I'm real close. One more. There it is. 200. Oop, can you see it? 246. And there it is. 246. That's what I want to copy. You could have copied that. Here I go. I'm going to write that. You can write it with me. I'm sure most of you didn't do it. En español, busca la página 246. 200, hundred, R-E-D, 100, 200, 40. 40 is like 4, but you don't have the U. You get rid of the U. 40, and then you put a hyphen here, a little line. 46, S-I-X. 246. Did you get that? En español, tú tienes que buscar 246. I hope you did this one. Write the number with the same value as 28 tens. Escribe el número que tenga el mismo valor como 28 decenas. Well, if you did a picture and you made 28 tens, you go 1, 2. These are tens, right? Long, skinny ones. There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What are 10 tens? That's 100. That's 10, but we want 20, 28. So I'm going to do another 10, and that'll be 20, 10, 20. There's another 10. So I got 10, 20. 10, 20. Yo quiero 8 más. Por eso 8 decenas más es un 5 y un 3. What do we got? 10, 20 makes 200. Because 10 tens is 100. 200, 8 decenas y 0 unidades. 280. Now you could have just been thinking tens and ones. No ones, but 28 tens. I can't just put 28, so I have to put the 2 in the hundreds column. Like that. 28 tens. 280. Easy. 280. The rest is very easy. Describe 59 in 2 other ways. How many tens? ¿Cuántas decenas? 5, por supuesto. 9 unidades. Describe 52 en 2 otras maneras. ¿Y qué más? How much is 5 tens? 50. 5 tens, 5 decenas son 50. más 9. Very easy. Circle the odd number. Oh, here we go again. Even numbers are with partners. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Odd numbers don't have a partner. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So you look at the last number. 8, 0, and 2 are even. But we want odd. Queremos impar. Uno is odd, impar. Por eso 11 is the odd. Boy, you didn't see any of that, did you? Okay. First, I made a list of the even numbers. Then I made a list of the odd numbers. The even numbers have partners. 0, 2, 4, 6. They have partners. 8. The odd numbers have one missing. 1, 3. There's one extra. So they're odd, impar. So these are the even, these are the odd. These 3 were even, 0, 2, and 8. But 1 is odd, so 11 is the odd number. Okay? How about this one? Write the number equal to 7 tens and 3 ones. Escribe el número que sea igual a 7 decenas, 3 unidades. 7 decenas, 3 unidades. ¿Qué número? Ay, ay, ay. 7 decenas, 3 unidades, 73. Also very easy, right? Falling off the table here, that's the problem. It's way up here too far. Okay, let's go to the next page. Hundreds, tens, and ones. That's what we've been studying. How do you write the 3-digit number that is shown by a set of blocks? ¿Cómo escribes el número de 3 dígitos que se muestra con un conjunto de bloques? That's very easy, right? Write the number of hundreds, tens, and ones, then draw a quick picture. Okay, I'll give you the first number. Listen, Sebastian has 243 yellow blocks. How many hundreds, tens, and ones are in this number? Sebastián tiene 243 bloques amarillos. ¿Cuántas centenas, decenas, unidades hay en este número? 243. 243. 243. 243. 243. 200, 2 centenas, 4 decenas, 3 unidades. How do we draw it? 2 hundreds. 4 tens, 4 decenas. Y 3 más unidades. 1, 2, 3 cubos. 243. How about this one? So Sebastian has 243 yellow blocks. He also has 423 red blocks. Tiene también 423 red blocks. 423. 423. Look, es el mismo, los mismos números, pero es un número diferente. Porque aquí hay 4 centenas. Ay, 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 ay. 423. Aquí hay 4 centenas, pero aquí 4 decenas. Here there was 2 hundreds, but here there's 2 tens. So they're different. We want 4 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is more down here. Then we want 2 tens. 1, 2, and 3 ones. This is more because the hundreds are more valuable. Valen 100. Los decenas nomás valen 10. Este valen 100. Y tiene 4. Aquí nomás tiene 2. Did you get that? I hope so. Okay, we're going to move on. Maybe we can do 4 pages today. Página 44. There we go. Page 94. Write how many hundreds, tens, and ones there are in the model. What are 2 ways to write this number? Okay. En español dice, escriba cuántas centenas, decenas y unidades hay en el modelo. ¿De qué 2 maneras se puede escribir este número? So, una manera es poner las centenas, decenas, unidades. Otra manera es poner una suma de centenas, decenas y unidades. Okay. First one, look at the picture. 2 hundreds, 4 tens, 7 ones. 247. What's 200s? 200s is 200. 4 tens is 40. And 7 ones is 7. 200 plus 40 plus 7. It's like what we were doing before, except now we have hundreds. We have hundreds also. Write how many hundreds. Let me see if I can do it like this. Write how many hundreds, tens, and ones are in the model. Write the number in 2 ways. Okay, so let's look at the model. This is the model. Es el modelo. Está hecho de bloques. Tiene centenas. Es una centena porque hay 100 bloquitos unidos. 100 bloquitos. Estos son decenas porque hay 10 bloquitos unidos. How many centenas? ¿Cuántas? Nomás uno. Una centena. There's 100. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 decenas. 6 tens. Any ones? No. Ningunos. Por eso el número es 160. What is 100? 100 is worth 100. 6 tens valen 60. Y 0 unidades vale 0. 100 plus 60 plus 0 is 160. You try this one. See if you can do this one by yourself. Go ahead. See if you can beat me. I'll give you a head start. Mark it, set, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come. Hundreds. 200s. Dos centenas. 2 tens. Ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Did you get that far? You still ahead of me? Then we just take that and put it together. 225. 225. Now, this is the hard part. What is 200s? 200. 200. 2 tens. 20. 5 ones. 5. Did you get that one right? Yeah? Try to beat me on this one. This time I'm only going to give you till 5. Or you mark it, set, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here I come. See if you can beat me. How many hundreds? 2 again. But this time I got 1, 2, 3 tens. Tres decenas. I got a 5 and a 4. See, I don't even have to count. I'm faster because I know that's a 5 and that's a 4. A 5 and a 4 is 9 ones. I didn't count. So that means the number must be 239. Now I want to add them. How do I add? 200s make 200. 3 tens, 10, 20, 30. And 9 ones is just 9. 200 plus 30 plus 9. Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you beat me or did I beat you? Did I beat you in your face? Did I beat you? Oh, okay. We'll move on. Here we go. We can do another page today. This is what we've been doing. So let's see if you can do all 3 of these by yourself. While you're working on them, I'll read the directions just in case we have to do something different. Write how many hundreds, tens, and ones are in the model. Write the number in 2 ways. So you write it like we did, and then you write the summing, the sumando, the addition, right? You do this one and you do this one. Don't do number 7. We'll save that. Okay? En español, escribe cuántas centenas, decenas y unidades hay en el modelo. El modelo son los bloques. Escribe el número de 2 maneras. Okay? Pause your video. Pause the video and do it. Go ahead. Okay, if you pause the video, then that means you're all done because you started up the video again. I don't leave a lot of time on the video because you're supposed to pause it. You're supposed to stop it and do the work. Here I go. Be careful. Watch. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3 hundreds. How many tens? 1, 2. No, these are not tens. These are ones. How many tens? Tens look like this. There are no tens. You've got to put the 0. 0 tens. These are ones. Hay 4 unidades. pero cero decenas. What number do we have? 304. Like that. Did you get the zero? Very important. Now, what's 300s? 100, 200, 300. 300s is 300. 0 tens is 0. 4 ones is 4. 300 plus 0 plus 4. Did you get that one right? How about this one? How many hundreds? 300s. How many tens? This time we have tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. And a 5 and a 3 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 378. Right? Did you get that right? Now what's 300s? 300 plus 7 tens is 70. Son 70. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. But that's easy. And 8 ones. Did you have that one right? That's 2. Is this number going to be bigger? Yes, because look, there's 4 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 400s. 2 tens and a 5 and a 1 is a 6 ones. 426. 426. Now what's 400s? 400. What's 2 tens? 20. 10, 20. And 6 ones. Did you get them all right? I hope so. Not too hard, really. Not too hard. Okay, this is going to be our last page, so let's finish up. See if we can beat 20 minutes in the movie. Okay. Solve, write, or draw to explain. Resuelve, escriba o dibujo para explicar. My kids last year used to say, "That's you, Mr. Farrar, Mr. Cool." Yeah, me and my blue hair. Okay. A model for my number has 4 ones blocks, 5 tens blocks, and 7 hundreds blocks. What number am I? Un modelo de mi número tiene 4 bloques de unidades, 5 bloques de decenas, y 7 bloques de centenas. ¿Qué número soy yo? Is that easy? Can we just put 4, 5, 7? Who put that? Did you put that? 4, 5, 7? Who put that? If you did, you're wrong because it says 4 ones. That's not the ones. That's the hundreds. The hundreds, the tens, the ones. I put 400s. It says 4 ones. I did it wrong. You have to be careful when you read it. Okay? Mirando. It has 4 ones blocks. Let me think of my 3 spots. This is the hundreds. This in the middle is the tens, and that's the ones. It has 4 ones blocks, so the 4 goes over here. En las unidades. El 4 va último en las unidades. 5 tens, en el medio las decenas, 5 decenas, 5 tens. And 7 hundreds. 7 hundreds. La respuesta es 754. 754. That's the right answer. Not 457. 754. That's the correct answer. Did you get that? That's good reading. 4 ones, 5 tens, 7 hundreds. Okay. 4 unidades, 5 decenas, 7 centenas. And that's it, boys and girls. We did 4 pages today. Well done. We will see you another day when we're almost up to page 100. Soon we'll be there as we learn about hundreds, tens, and ones, 3-digit numbers. Bye.